Hello viewers, Mezcal here. Just a quick update on these cupels I made. They didn't crack at all, so they dried out nicely. Look at that. So this whole thing here, it's pretty much had its day, and it's sort of too big to be doing, small cupel sized burns. And I thought maybe I can make a small furnace out of a pot. I went for one that's got a glaze on it because it's been through a higher firing. You can hear it's got a higher sort of note about it. If you do the same thing to a terracotta pot, they've only been bisque fired, and they don't have the same resistance to high temperature. This stuff came recommended, thanks Electro for the idea. Apparently this can be not bad stuff for making a little furnace, so I'll give that a crack. So I think maybe drill a hole in this angle so I can bring in a flame nozzle and just cake it with that around the insides, make a lid for it. I was just editing the video and looking at what a mess I made of trying to do that, and in hindsight I should have started with this tool. I don't know if I'll chop that out of the video and save you the pain of watching it, or maybe just snip it right down so you can see the mistakes I made, but yeah, this is the way to go. That's coming in on that angle. The opposite side to come in there. I need to start there. I must say our disc is looking a lot worse for wear. There's not much diamond left on that. There's some on the back but none on the front. It's had a lot of use though. Right, now I've got to come through on... This thing finally gave up the ghost. It's not diamond coated anymore. Don't breathe that in. Good. Might need a little bit more water. It's too stiff to mix with the spoon. I'll just roll it around like that. I had to put a tiny bit more water in. It's looking good. consistency. Bloody cold out here. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea. Rendering. Like that hole at the bottom. Wouldn't mind building a base in there as well. A little standoff to put the cupola on. Dust coming off this will just be too dangerous to be breeding. I'll end up giving myself silicosis, and that would be silly. I've been chopping away at it for a while and it's taking a very long time. Let's see what other tool I can use. Before I give up on the Dremel, I'll just try another bit. Not making much forward progress. Maybe this one will help. It's bloody thick. This Dremel bit is probably the best thing you'll ever get for a Dremel. This is shit, this Dremel. It's only got 2 speeds. I bought it on a special deal and I thought that's a good price, but didn't realise it didn't have the proper adjustable. Yeah, bit rubbish. Holy shit, that was awesome. How's that for Dremel porn? Haha. Looks about right. So this is what I have after all of that. This came up all right. Kind of fits with a little bit of gap around the edges there. I found this the other day in a skip bin. Looks like a good fit to hold that. I was going to lag it for the sake of getting a fire on and seeing if it's going to work with this setup here. I've just spent bloody hours mucking around at Bunnings trying to find something that fit, and it's like barbecue fittings don't fit the trade flame fittings, and it's just ridiculous. Left hand threads and right hand threads, and I thought all gas was left hand thread, but no. I don't know if this is going to be no good for me or not. So it appeared this thing will go on that bottle, and I could fit that onto there. That's a nice little tin that comes with it. Oh, that's a lot of pressure. Let's try again. One in on the bottle, so that should just be what gas is in the hose. Hose holds a lot of gas. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what. I'm trying to get this thing to stay at a set level. And look at it pulsing. What the hell's going on with that? It's either full on or it's bloody off. I don't understand why this thing's got no control. I don't think this thing's going to work without a regulator, because even with this one turned all the way off, and this guy, it's just no control. It just opened the tap and it's full. And it blows out. Turn the tap off, try and dial it down, and it just goes all the way off. It's just fucking ridiculous. The amount of gas just left in the hose fitting's ridiculous. I've already been doing this. There's the bottle's not on there anymore.
Unbelievable. I don't know if I can use that.